Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Tag Manager to deploy SEO-related events, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Tag Manager website. Sign in with your Google account associated with your Tag Manager account. Navigate to the container you wish to work with. Once inside the container, click on that admin tab located in the left sidebar. Under the container section, look for the User Management option. Click on User Management to see the current users and their permissions. To add a new user, click the blue plus sign in the top right corner. Enter the email address of the user you wish to authorize. Determine the access level you want to grant by checking the appropriate boxes. For SEO-related events, ensure the user has at least edit and publish permissions. After setting the permissions, click the Add button to save your changes. Now, navigate back to the main container view. Click on Tags in the left sidebar. To create a new tag, click on the New button. Name your new tag descriptively, such as SEO Event Tracker. Next, select the tag type according to the SEO event you want to. Common options may include Google Analytics, Universal Analytics, or Google Analytics, GA4 event. Configure the tag. When finished, click on the triggering section to set the conditions for when this tag should fire. Either select an existing trigger or create a new one based on the specific SEO event you want to monitor. Once the trigger is set, review the tag configuration for any errors. After verifying that everything is accurate, click the Save button. To implement the changes, click the Submit button in the top right corner. Provide a version name and description to keep track of changes made. Confirm the submission by clicking Publish. Return to the preview mode to test whether your new tag is firing correctly. In a separate tab, navigate to your website and perform the actions that should trigger the SEO event. Check the Tag Manager preview panel to see if the tag fired as expected. If it did, congratulations, your Tag Manager is now authorized to deploy SEO-related events. If not, return to the Tag Manager and troubleshoot any configuration issues as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.